me just show you quickly. I've got these Orbit shrub sprinklers, and they are impossible to adjust as far as the throw. You have the turn it to the left for to increase the pressure or decrease, turning it clockwise. Let me show you how I fix that. All right, you're gonna take this head off, and what I found best is you get on this other side is a Phillips screwdriver side. Take that. And go ahead and then screw it this way. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Open it up. That pretty much breaks a seal or whatever is going on. From there, you'll be able to put this back on this sprinkler, and then you can fine tune your spray once you've got your sprinkler turned on. Works for me, but for some reason coming out of the factory, they have these really tight. If you don't have the right tip, it can damage and make it harder for this to actually function, and then render it useless. Alright, hope this helps.